Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I am going to teach you a nice beautiful basket. See, a nice beautiful basket. This you can use for any multi-purpose. You can keep flowers, you can use for pencil box, you can use to give a gift to anyone. So let's begin. For this we need circle. Here I cut the small circle, 2 circles you require, and the small strips. This I had cut 6 piece you required, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It depends on the size, how much big size you want. What you have to do, just apply the glue on the edges and stick this on the edges. See, I had stick all the strips here. I had to stick the 7 strips on the circle because it depends on the size. If your circle is big, you require more strips. And the second one circle I will stick on the top. See, your base is ready. Now what you have to do, you have to just fold it all this inside like this. Now what you have to do, here I have taken the contrast color, I have taken this blue strip. So we have to cut these strips according to the circumference of the circle. See, it should be like this. Then you have to stick both the corners. Stick it properly. See, if you place it will look like this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to make this 4 strips like this. Now what you have to do, you have to put these strips on this ring. You have to put this alternate, one out one in, one out one in, like this. So here I have taken the 8 strips, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because we have to take the even numbers. Now as I told you, you have to make this circle like this. Now you have to keep these strings one by one, alternate. One is inside, one out, one goes inside, one will be out, then the next will go inside and the other will out, and last will go again inside. Means the 4 is out and 4 is in. Now in the second round, you have to do the alternate of this. You have to do the alternate of this. The one which is inside. Now in the second round, you just have to do the opposite thing. The one which is inside, you have to keep that out, and the one which is outside, you have to keep that inside. Okay, like this. One in, one out, then this one in, this one out, this one in. Like this you have to make the 4 circles, and you have to make like same. See, look, now your basket is ready. See how beautiful it's look. See, if you have a extra on the top, either you cut and stick, or you just fold and stick, one inside one outside. Okay, your edge will look like this. Now again we are taking the strips to make the handle. Here I have taken the strips. I will stick like this. Just apply the glue on both the corners. And just stick inside. One this side and one opposite side. Now you can decorate with the flowers. Here I'm having the flowers. I'm sticking on the handles just to give a look. See, your basket is ready. Now you can use this. You can keep anything. You can keep flowers. See, like this you can keep and arrange on your table, or you can give to anyone, or either you can use as a pencil stand also. It's a multi-purpose basket. So hope you all enjoy this beautiful basket and you all are going to make. So hope you all enjoy this beautiful basket. See how beautiful it looks. Thank you.